Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Google Translate offline, follow these easy steps to access translation features without an internet connection. Step 1. Open the Google Translate app on your smartphone or tablet, available for both iOS and Android devices. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the app to access settings and features. Step 3. Select offline translation from the menu to view available language packs you can download. Step 4. Browse through the list of languages and tap the download icon next to each language you want to use offline. Step 5. Wait for the language pack to download, noting that some languages may require up to 50 megabytes of storage space on your device. Step 6. Once downloaded, you'll see a check mark next to the language indicating it's ready for offline use. Step 7. To use offline translation, simply open Google Translate as usual and select the downloaded languages from the language selection menu. Step 8. Type or speak your text as you normally would, and Google Translate will process it offline using the downloaded language packs, though some advanced features like camera translation may still require internet connectivity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.